Hey guys, how's it going this evening? Hope you had a great day. You can see in the picture there that the Cheyenne spirit is adjusting to its environment pretty well, it seems like. Got some beautiful flowers on it, and looks like there's a couple of more coming down in there. I don't know if you can see them. Anyway, this video is follow up to the upcoming projects. Uh, part 2, did part 1 earlier today, where I planted the 25 Dutch Master Daffodils. This video, planting the 25 Fortune Daffodils that have the little orange trumpet on them. The package on those is interesting enough. I always thought daffodils preferred full sun, but the package on those said full sun or full shade. So I didn't. These are all going to be in this bed here. These two beds. These two little half moon beds on the. Sorry if I moved that too fast. The driveway here. You can see my sprinklers are on. So I put 10. Actually, I wound up with like 12 or 13. I was going to put 10 bulbs. The intention was to put 10 bulbs over there, 15 over here in this one. But I wound up with some extra bulbs in the package. So I think I wound up with 13 over there and 15 over here. And you can see the little markers again. There's 3 blue markers. There's another one. There's some white markers. Here's some white markers in here. Back here, you can see the Sombrero Fiesta orange is still looking good. Butterfly bush that I transplanted is growing, looking well. Well, with all this rain, we're having mosquito issues here in Northeast Ohio. I don't know about the rest of you guys, but they like to carry me off. And then here's a little update on the Baptisia that I transplanted. I am deciding that probably the best time to transplant, even though they have that taproot and they don't really like to be moved, if you need to move them, probably the best time to move them is in the spring, right as they're breaking dormancy. And it's probably the same way with the hardy hibiscus that I moved. You can also see the Sombrero Baja Burgundy that planted a few weeks ago, is settling in, bulking up, liking its spot. Now I'll go over here and show you if we can maneuver around the sprinklers. I turned them on, it's so dry. How's it going, guys? Trying to stay cool. It's nice, but if you work, you get a little muggy. Or I do anyway, probably because of my fatness. All right, here we have, you can see all those hot pink tags. Get in here before the sprinkler makes it back around. In here. Whoa! Now that one got us. I forgot about it. Wasn't paying attention. It got us good and wet. All right, so there's those 10, 13 there. You can see this pincushion is really thickening up. Did a little weeding there. Got to pick up my pile. The Cheyenne Sky grass is doing well. The Baptisia over here, good and full. It should be a good display next spring. All right, those just kicked off, and the ones up front are kicking on. So let's make our way around. You can see I'm cleaning this bed out. Going to be redoing some stuff here. Got some holes there. I'm going to put some fiddleberry in. All right, let's go up here. Move over here. I'm going to give you an update on those hardy hibiscus. how they're looking after being transplanted in the heat of the summer. Like I was saying with the Baptisia over there, probably it's best to transplant these hardy hibiscus in the spring as they're breaking dormancy too, because you can see all the leaves, everything, all the flower buds and everything. Just see that flower bud there. It just, I mean, still green at the base, but these didn't do too well with the leaves and stuff. Here's that limelight hydrangea growing like crazy. It's looking very good. Don't see any flower blooms on it or anything, but flower buds. Like I said, probably won't get any since I did that so late. Then here's the other hardy hibiscus. Yeah, it's probably best to transplant those in the spring, guys. I didn't do my research, messed up there. And then here's the Simfucra or bugbane or snake root, whichever you call it, that I transplanted in the last video. All right, but these limelight hydrangeas have flowered out. I do think they're going, and I'm really loving this over here, this north side. You see, I've got a wall there. Maybe I'll do something like dig, plant, water, and repeat. Put a espalier up there maybe, or something. Oh no, I've never done that. I'd have to get, maybe I can get some tips from her personally. I don't know, but we'll see how that, but you can see I've got a big wall here that I could really do some stuff with, but I'm just liking, I think I'm much happier with these limelights over here. All right, so that's it for this video. It went a little longer than I intended. Please hit the subscribe button, guys. It doesn't cost you anything. And I don't even, unless you tell me, I don't even know who's subscribing and who's not. Nothing goes, I don't get any information on you. I know I myself, I was a little leery when this YouTube stuff started. I was a little leery to get involved. Still a little apprehensive about even doing these videos, but we'll, for now, keep on keeping on, as they said in the 70s, showing my age again. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great evening.